Hi everybody, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a personal access token in Airtable. A personal access token will let third-party apps securely access your Airtable bases and data, so it's a key part of building any custom project or app that needs to connect with Airtable. Creating a token is the first step to using our new tool called Blob, which is all about making it easy to share your Airtable bases schema with AI. But I'll tell you more about that project in future videos. For now, let's dive into creating a personal access token in Airtable. In Airtable, click on your account profile in the top right corner. Then select Builder Hub. In the menu on the left, choose Personal Access Tokens under Developers. Create a token and give it a name, something descriptive so you know what this token is for. Next, you can set scopes for your token. Scopes determine what kind of actions an app can take when it connects to Airtable using your token. There are several options here, and the scopes you choose will depend on your project. If you want to access the actual data stored within the base, you'll want to add scopes from the Records, Data, and Comments section. For our app, we're really interested in the schema. That's the underlying structure of the base, like its tables and fields. So I'll just add schema bases read and schema bases write. Once you've added all the scopes you want, you need to set the token's access. This will determine which bases an app can view or edit when it connects with your token. If you want it to be able to access everything, you can just click on All Resources, but you can also choose specific workspaces and bases to keep access more restricted, and I would recommend that approach. With the name, scopes, and access all set, you can finish up by clicking Create Token. Then you'll see a pop-up where you can copy your token. Make sure to copy it and enter it wherever you need to use it now, because Airtable will not show you this token again. But if you lose it, you can always just recreate another token with the same settings. And that's all there is to it. If you'd like to learn more about streamlining and automating your work with Airtable, Zapier, and AI, check out XRay.Tech. We have hundreds of free tutorials for no-code and low-code builders. And if you want to design a better way to work for your entire team, reach out to us to learn about professional services. We offer one-on-one hourly support for quick projects, as well as long-term retainers for total workflow transformation. Just go to XRay.Tech to get started. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every week. You can also find me and my company XRay by searching for XRay Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go, so until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.